In this video, we will show you how to transfer contacts from Android to Android devices. In here, for example, we have some contact on our phone. Okay. In here, I'm using Android on Xiaomi Brain. In here, you can select your contact. You can see there is many contact there. And then you can click this menu or settings. Then you can see there is import or export contacts. Just select this, and in here you can export the contact to SIM card 1, or I suggest you let's export contact to storage in here. Okay, you can see there your contact list will be exported to file external / downloads. You can see the name of the file is 00001.vcf. Just click OK. Okay, you can see there the contact has been exported successfully. Now we will go to File Manager in here and click the folder. Then you can find the contact that just export. Okay, we will find the files here. Let's open our download folder on our File Manager, and you can see there is contact number that exported just now. Then you can share these files to your friends, okay, by clicking this, and you can send using application like Telegram, WhatsApp, or another share application, or by email. After that, you can just import the contact if you already have the files, and use these settings. Choose import or export contacts and import from storage after that. Now you can using local and select the file here. Okay, and you done to transfer contacts from Android to another Android. The number second, actually, if your contact has been saved on email accounts like Gmail, for example, you can actually synchronize your devices, and in here you can find the account on the settings menu. After that, you can select account to signs. You can see maybe the menu is little different. There is account and signs. Okay, and in here you can sign the Google account here. If you before save the contact into your Google account rather than into the SIM card, you can using this menu. And that's all tutorial how to transfer contacts from Android to another Android. Hope this will helpful for you.